Hey, what's up guys? I'm back here again with a beautiful 2023 BMW M1000 single R, and I'm back on the dyno. I'm back on the dyno because BMW has released a new torque map for this bike. And I wanted to kind of walk you through this, guys, on the dyno. So I want to be the first person to dyno this thing with the torque map versus the stock map and show you guys exactly what you're getting with that torque map. This is second gear right here, okay? So second gear, we know that dead spot's there on the stock map. Not a big deal. The red is stock, the bone stock map, and the blue is the torque map. And you can see the torque map does provide, let me try to get you the good stuff here. This provides, let me see, what is this? 11 wheel horsepower and 8 wheel torque right here. And that's significant. You'll notice that. And even at the top here is what you're losing, because if they're gonna give you something here, they're gonna have to take away somewhere else to make this thing compliant. Now over here, they're gonna end up taking away, what is this, 16 wheel horsepower and a whole bunch of torque. That's not good. Especially for a hyper naked like this thing will be a chore to kind of take up the top end. It's gonna hit you like hitting a brick wall with the arrow it has already. Well, let's see fifth gear, why not? Again, we're gaining a little bit right here. Boom, we're gaining 8 wheel horsepower in the mid-range and 6 wheel torque. Nothing to laugh at, that's awesome. But look what we're losing up here. I mean, we end up losing, look at this. This is 22 wheel horsepower, just gone, just slaughtered out of that thing. And a whole bunch of torque, and that's what you're getting. So when BMW gives these torque maps, you can see right here, in the mid-range is gonna give you a little bit more, but at the top end, they are taking a whole bunch away from this bike.